Welcome again. We are going to talk about grammar for lesson B model 2. 3 grammar conditional sentence type 1. Conditional sentences type 1. Read the example and complete the 2. We should first know that if is the article condition. If followed by the conditional verb to get the main sentence or the result sentence. Here we have if you wake up early you will be able to swim with the sharks before breakfast. Here if is the conditional article and we have wake up the verb in present. If plus wake up we call them a verb or a closed verb or a closed sentence for if, and we get will plus base form or verb without addition the result of the closed verb or the sentence conditional sentence. So we can give you other examples. If you get up early you will go to school early. If you study hard you will pass the exams. If plus present we get will plus base form. To talk about something may happen or possible to happen in present or in future. If there is time, your guides might take you to see the famous Gadabalbo fossils. If there is, if plus present, might take. Here we change will to might. You can say will or can, may, must, might. Another model verb to see the famous Gadabalbo fossils. If you want to see more sites, ask your hotel to recommend a tour guide. Here we have if plus want in present form. To see more sites, ask. Here we have imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. A verb begins with base form. Here we don't have a subject. So if plus present simple we can say will, can, must, may, might plus base form, or we can get imperative sentence. Conditional sentence type 1. We use conditional sentence type 1 for something which is possible to happen in the present or future. Conditional sentences consist of the if clause and the main clause. If plus present get main clause, the result. If clause, if plus present simple. El main clause, future will, model verbs may, might, can, must, should. Or imperative. We can make imperative sense by using the verb or base form of the verb in the beginning of the sentence, like open the door, do your homework, study your lessons, clean the board, tidy your room. We begin with the verb. If I find the book, I'll buy it for you. If you go to the gym early, you might see him there. If you see him, ask him about the festival. When the if clause comes before the main clause, the two clauses are separated by a comma. Here, you can see if you begin the sentence by if and you get the clause, the verb in present, then you should put comma and then you get the main clause. I'll buy it for you. But if you change, you begin the sentence by the main clause, if I buy it for you, if I find the book. Here, when if comes in the middle, we can't put comma. If begins the sentence or in the beginning of the sentence, we put comma in the middle of the sentence. If versus when. Read the examples and answer the questions. I'll go skiing if it snows. I'll go skiing when it snows. Do the sentences refer to the present, future, or past? Present refer to the future. They refer to the future. Is Ken sure that it will snow? No, he isn't. Who will definitely go skiing? Ryan. Which sentence expresses a condition? The first one. We can use when we are surely that the action will happen or going to happen. But if you refer to possibility that you are not be sure, you can say if. When is used to refer to the time something is going to happen, while if refers the possibility of something happening. I'll tell him when I see him. I will definitely see him. I'll tell him if I see him. I may not see him. So we use when we are sure for something is going to happen. Practice. Circle the correct words and complete the boxes with if or when. So, what are you doing next weekend? I am going to the beach with my brother. If the weather is good, we go, may go, we may go. If plus present, we get modal verb plus base form. Why don't you come with us? Sure. When you decide what time, of course, when followed by present, like if. What time you are leaving? Imperative, give me a call. Okay. Is Ted going to swim with the sharks tomorrow? I don't know. He does will do it. He will do it if he doesn't get too scared. We know when tomorrow morning will see the sharks. So we put here if or when. So before the main clause, will know plus when, present simple. If it is not too much trouble, please take, imperative. A picture of him. Thank you.